max out. Wonder why they hands on me. Girlie, why you tripping? Why you tryna get the man's out? Loving when you dance on me.
Oh Lord. What is good, everybody on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel here at Franky Collects. I am back with another video. I know it's been like almost 2 long months since the last time I actually uploaded a video on this channel. As you guys can see, man, I've been gone from this sneaker room. You guys probably haven't seen this backdrop in quite some time, but like I said, I was down in California for 4 months and I'm finally back, guys. I do not want to make any excuses right now because I know I've been super laggy with the videos, but as you guys can see on my right side, I had to give you guys a banger, man. I cashed out on some sneakers. I spent over $2,000 on some sneakers, man. Yes, $2,000, and we have 1, 2, 3, only 3 sneakers here. But man, let me tell you guys this: these sneakers are some fire sneakers. For the first one, this was actually a local meetup. Shout outs to Scott Tiburcio. I'll link his YouTube and his Instagram down below. He's starting up his own sneaker business. I've been wanting this sneaker for some time, but I did not want to pay the dead stock resale price. So as you guys know, this is a used pair. Let's go ahead and open this box up. So as you guys can see, it's the Jordan 3 Black Cement. As you guys know, a lot of the OG sneakers after the whole Michael Jordan documentary has gone up in value, and these were one of the sneakers. As you guys can see, the Black Cement 3s. He was selling these for $230, and then I end up offering $200, and then he ended up accepting that. So like I said, shout out to Scott for this one right here. This is super clean. I'm glad to have these in the collection. So for this one right here, shout outs to, I believe his name was JT. I'm not sure, Jason, I'm not sure. I'm sorry, I apologize, bro. I'll link his Twitter and his Instagram down below in the description box. Let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. Probably the most, I think out of the two, I think I should unbox this one, but I think I'm the most excited about this shoe right here because the value of this sneaker is going up, and I think I'm going to invest in these for a little bit to see where the price will go. But I honestly got this for a really good price. So shout out to my boy JT. If you're watching this, bro, I appreciate you once again. Oh man. I am so excited to see these in hand. As you guys can see, a Jordan 4 box. This is the Jordan Off-White 4s in the sale colorway. This was the woman exclusive. So this is a 9.5 in women's, which is an 8 in men, which is my size. Oh my gosh, I am so excited for this sneaker. Goodness. Boom. As you guys can see, the Jordan 4 Off-White in the sale colorway. This is such a clean shoe. Oh my gosh, this is my first time having these sneakers in hand, and let me tell you guys, this is such a clean shoe. Let me bring these out real quick. These do come with 3 extra laces. They come in black, and I think this is a mint color, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. Really a really light mint color. And it comes with an extra white laces right there. Look huge for a size 8, man. These are crazy. Oh my goodness. But like I said, man, let's go ahead and get into the next sneaker. I'm over here drooling over this sneaker, and I have one more box to unbox. So let's go ahead and get into the one that I actually got from the Goat app. So my address is right there. Let me go ahead and flip this around. Go ahead and get into this unboxing once again. I got this from the Goat app, and I was honestly hesitant to get this because I didn't know for sure if I wanted this colorway or the other colorway. I'll just go ahead and show you. Once you guys see the box, you guys probably will know what it is. So as you guys can see, blue on the bottom. Let me go and pull this bad boy out straight from Goat. Man, as you guys can see, once you guys see the box, you guys already know what this is. This is another Jordan 4, but this one is the Jordan 4 Unions. They came out with 2 different colorways, the guavas, and they came out with the, what is this, I forgot what colorway. This is the black colorway. Kind of hesitant whether if I wanted the black pair or if I wanted the guava pair, but like I said, as you guys can see, comes with a GOAT authentication card right here, and then a GOAT sticker. As always, shout outs to the GOAT app, man. 100% legit. Boom. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Let me pull these out before I react. Seeing these in hand right now. Wow. You know what? It's like one of those unboxings where you're like, you haven't seen the shoe in hand and you just want to look at it for a while just to see how it actually looks like in hand. I'm not sure if that's just me, but you guys let me know in the comments below if you guys can relate what I'm talking about, where once you get a shoe in hand, it's just like you want to feel it, you want to sniff it, you want to just hold it. Man, that new Jordan smells so good. Oh my goodness. As you guys know, man, that tongue is so weird. Seeing that folded in half, you could actually take the stitching off and then you could flop the tongue like all other Jordan 4 tongue. Oh my goodness, man, this is such a crazy shoe. A lot of people were not really digging this when they first came out with images, and honestly, I'm not going to lie, guys, I was kind of iffy when I saw these in pictures. I did not know how I didn't know how to react to these. Honestly, I wanted to really see these in hand to really give my best judgment about the sneaker. I think these are way better than the Unions in my opinion. You guys could go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. Would you guys rather take the Unions or would you guys rather take the Jordan Off-White 4s? That is it for the video. If you guys enjoyed this crazy unboxing, make sure you guys smash that like button. If you guys missed me uploading videos, I know it's been quite some time, this is going to be the beginning of me just continuing on and uploading video for you guys consistently. I apologize for the whole lag, but like I said, make sure you guys follow me on all social medias, and that will be linked down below in the description box. Make sure you guys stay safe out there, make sure you guys wash your hands, and make sure you guys wear your mask. But like always, guys, stay blessed, stay healthy. I'll catch you guys on the next video. This is Rafi Collects. Peace.
Got the hands out, wonder why the hands on me. Girlie, why you tripping? Why you trying to get the man out? Love it when you dance on